Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use sprinklers and grow a garden, Roblox. Using sprinklers and grow a garden on Roblox is a game changer for plant growth. To get started, you can craft basic sprinklers or purchase them from the gear shop, while event-specific sprinklers may also be available. There are four main types: basic, advanced, godly, and master, each with different strengths. Sprinklers of the same type won't stack, but combining different types within a plant's radius boosts growth, giving your crops all the combined buffs. Special sprinklers like Sweet Store Sprinkler apply unique buffs to certain plants with their radius, like helping melons grow faster. Another great feature is that sprinklers remain active even when you go offline, maintaining their timer so your plants keep getting watered while you're away. Strategically, placing your sprinklers ensures maximum efficiency and faster harvest. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.